Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to find brands on AliExpress. So if you're looking for legitimate products that can be sold on AliExpress, then you should just type the brand name in the searching bar and you will see your results. However, if you're looking for big global names like Nike, Apple, or Adidas, this is the part where it gets a little tricky because AliExpress does not openly host those brands. So sellers can use misspellings or code words. For example, instead of writing Nike, they can write NKIE, for example. Sometimes they can even mix in emojis or random letters so that AliExpress algorithm will not notice this. But here's the hack. If a seller seems legit or has way too good reviews, then you should just message them directly. So many times they will send you a secret VIP link that shows the real product. And always you should check buyer reviews and photos section. So customers usually post what actually arrived, so you can see if the item is really branded. So basically, if you want to look for hidden or tricky branded stuff, then you should do a little bit of detective work and chat with the seller. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.